Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this video, this is a continuation of the previous videos. So we have already done question number 6 in the last video from 1 to 6. So this is W19 question paper 11 for pure mathematics 1. And today we're going to look into question number 7. So in this question, it's asking us find the range of f and the range of g. So first of all, let's have a look on f of x. So for f of x, the function is given which is 3 over 2x plus 1, and the domain is given which is greater than 0. So the meaning of this range of f of x will be, because here we can see there is a denominator of it. So and what are the x values we can put? It will be more than 0. So the meaning of this here, once we will choose the values for 1, let's say, so this will be 3 over 3, so this will be 1 at the time. So the range for this function will be greater than 0 but less than, because here the 3 is on the top, so whatever value we will put, if we will increase the denominator over here, so the value will get more smaller, so it will be as small as less than 3. Similarly for g of x, so for g of x, here we have a function again 1 over x plus 2, and for that the range is given which is x, domain is given which is x greater than 0, so we need to look for the range for this function. So for this function again, the domain is x greater than 0, so if we will put, let's say here, 1 over 1, so this will be 1 plus 2, so this will be 3. So that's mean the smallest value for this one can have, it will be greater than 2, so it will be 3 or more than that. So because we don't have negative numbers, so that's mean there is no less than that value we will get over here. Okay, in the next question it says find an expression for f of g of x. So f of x was given which is 3 over 2x plus 1, and g of x was given which is 1 over x plus 2. So now if we are looking for f of g of x, so composition of this, so f is operating outside, g is inside, so first of all we will operate here g of x, so then after that we need to use f of x, so 3 over 2 times x plus 1, but this time what is x over here, which is 1 over x plus 2. So we have to simplify this, so if we will go simplify this, so this will be 2 over x plus 4 plus 1, so then this will be 3 over 2 over x plus 5. So then that's mean if we simplify over here, so we can take the denominator same over here, so this is 3 over 2 plus 5x over x. So now as we know, the third fraction will go to the first fraction, so that's mean f of g of x will be 3x over 2 plus 5x. So as we can see, it says we need to write ax over bx plus c, so ax plus bx plus c. Now the third part of this, it says find f g inverse of x. So as we know, f g of x is equal to 3x over 5x plus 2. So now we need to look for the f g inverse of x. So then from here, as you know, we can replace this with y. So y is equal to 3x over 5x plus 2. So now from here, what we can do, we can replace x by y and y by x. So that's mean x is equal to 3y over 5y plus 2. So now from here we have to rearrange and we need to make y the subject. So this will be 5xy plus 2x is equal to 3y. So we need to bring the xy terms on one side. So then from here we can say like 2x can be on the same side, so 3y minus 5xy. So 2x is equal to y can be common, so 3 minus 5x. So which mean y is equal to 2x over 3 minus 5x. So that means fg inverse of x is equal to 2x over 3 minus 5x. In the next question, question number 8, the diagram shows a sector OAC of a circle with center O and tangents AB and CB to the circle meet at B, and then the arc AC is of length 6 cm and angle C is 3 over 8 pi radians. So find the length of OA to correct to four significant figures. So as we can see over here, so OA is basically the radius. So now we have angle and we know the arc length, so we can use the formula for arc length. So arc length is equal to r theta. So then arc length is 6 is equal to r is OA times 3 by 8 pi. So now that's mean OA is equal to 6 over 3 pi by 8, and then we can like simply use the calculator because we need to give the answer to four significant figures. So this will be 5.093. Then the next one, it says find the perimeter of the shaded region. So the shaded region are this part, so CB, and we need to know for AB. So we know like that's right, CB plus AB. So perimeter will be equal to arc length plus CB plus AB. Okay, so in order to do that, we can go back to the shape here because we need to calculate AB. So right now we just found R and we can see like this angle is 90 degree. So if we split out, we draw an angle bisector. So we can see over here we will get like a right angle triangle. So which can be O to A and B. So since this total angle was 3 over 8 pi, so now that's mean this will be, because angle is separated into two equal parts, so 3 by 8 pi divided by 2, so this will be 3 by 16 pi. And we are interested to find AB and we know R already, so that's mean we can use tan. So tan of Okay, so if we want to find here, so tan of 3 by 16 pi is equal to AB over R. So the value of R we just found over here, which is 5.093. So similarly, in this case, if we look over here, so we need to know CB, and the same thing is happening since this is R, and again this angle will also be like 3 by 16 pi, and R is given, so we can figure out what is this exactly. So from here, so as we just discussed, so we form a right angle triangle. This is OAB. So this is R 5.093, and this angle is 3 by 16 pi. Yep. So we're trying to find AB, so which is tan of angle 3 pi by 16 is equal to opposite over adjacent. So that's mean AB is equal to 5.093 times by tan of 3 pi by 16. So if we use our calculator, so AB will be equal to 3.4030. So similarly, we know CB is also the same thing, so 3.4030, and then the perimeter will be equal to 6 plus 3.4030 plus 3.4030. So add them together, so this will be equal to 12.8 centimeter. So that was the perimeter. Now in the next part of it, it says find the area of the shaded region. So same thing, we need to know the area of the shaded region. So in order to find the shaded region area, so as you can see here, we have we created already two triangles. So we know their height and base times height divided by 2, because these are right angle triangles. And if we can find the area of sector, so that's mean if we subtract area of triangle minus area of sector, so we will know this shaded region area. So then the area of triangle will be equal to half base times height. So base is our radius, which is 5.093, 5.093, and this was the 3.4030. So technically what we need to do, so we just double this to find the total area of the triangle, and then area of sector will be, so this is area of triangle, and then area of sector will be half r square theta. So area of sector is half r is 5.093 square times angle is 3 by 8 pi. So we simply use calculator over here. So area of triangle is 17.331, and the area of sector is this. If we subtract, so the shaded region area will be 2.05 centimeter square. Hope you understand these questions. Thanks for watching.